Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday. In today's video, we are talking about the best curbside deals over at Walgreens. What does that mean? You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. What's the old saying? Let's take this video to the moon. Let's try and get 1,000 thumbs up for this video. It would be pretty great, especially if you love curbside deals. Bigger savings, better deals. A lot of us like to shop this way. And if you are a shopper that likes to be in store, watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end. We have 5 freebies, a bunch of stuff with IBOTTA, some stuff with Fetch. I mean, it's all over the place and it's all fantastic. So I would try and do a couple of these deals sooner in the week because they might disappear as the week marches on. And I really want to give a special thank you to anyone who took a second to write a little something in yesterday's video. We've been dealing with a really bad ice storm and what happened since. We lost all of our power lines where we live. And there's a whole bunch of communities in northern Michigan that are dealing with it. And just to give you the abbreviated version, we still don't have power. So this is going on, I think, day 9 now. And I just really want to thank everybody that sent thoughts and prayers, and hopefully this gets resolved sooner in the week, because when you like to coupon and make these little videos, it kind of puts a little bit of a snafu in it, but onwards and upwards, positive that this will get resolved this week. A big group of workers up here are working on this, so we hope, fingers crossed, that this gets resolved soon. Okay, deal number 1. So for this one, we are going to be grabbing 3 of these complete home. They're the 4-gallon trash bags. They are 3 for $4.99 this week, so it's like buy 1, get 2 for free. You're just paying for the first one. And then just to level out the basket, we're going to throw in 2 of these Walgreens 9 counts of the toilet paper. For those of you that have never tried it, it is quite similar to Angel Soft. So no complaints from this girl about it. I love this toilet paper. I might want to run off and marry it. Okay, so this is the store coupon loaded. It's $1.50 off of 1. If you can't find it, go into your household folders at the top and manually look for it. It should, if you've already used it, it keeps showing up because it is a Walgreens coupon this month to use. Okay, so just to show you that $3 coupon, that $1.50 came off twice for the 2 toilet papers, WAG 20 taking an additional $1.40 off, and then WAG 10 taking an extra 50 cents off. So extra savings on the savings. The overall total for this basket is $14.99 with all of the different WAG 20, WAG 10, $4.90 melting off, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax. So the total here is $10.70. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 70 cents and call this a very smart basket of household meat and potatoes. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2. For this one, we are grabbing one of these Eucerin Face. It's a Radiant Tone Cleanser Gel for $18.99, which is rich, but it is a newer product, and I think a lot of us are very curious to try it. Now, this is something really interesting that Walgreens threw into the mix. A lot of us have this Only For You coupon, which is a 4 off of 1. If you buy a lot of skincare, you probably have it. But we also have the code RADIANT to get an extra $10 off. That's $14 off of that product. We're going to throw in 2 of these Walgreens toilet papers. Alternatively, if you want to go with the paper towels that are the same price at $5 a pop, by all means, throw those in. So just to show you the $1.50 that you need loaded for the paper products, so either the toilet paper or the paper towel, or you can alternatively mix and match. Eucerin coming off, Radiant taking $10 off, $3 off, and then WAG 20 with an extra $1.40 off. I'm not complaining about that. So just to show you guys, the total is $28.99, $14.40 coming off with all of that magic, free curbside pickup, 88 cents in tax, a $4 manufacturer melting off. So the total here is $11.47. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.47 for 2 things of toilet paper and that really interesting Eucerin cleanser, which I think a lot of us really want to try. Deal number 3. So for this one, we're going to grab one of these Japanese fingernail clippers. It's $3.99. We have a $2 store coupon and a $2 manufacturer. So it's going to make this guy just completely free. Make sure you load the manufacturer that showed up. Even if this thing isn't in store, just load it, because later in the week or next week it might show up, get restocked in your store. We're going to grab a Garnier product for $11.99. So either those little pads or this makeup remover, which is a liquid. You pick which one you want. And we're going to load the $2 off. And then there's a $3 off of one for the Garnier Skin Active. Sorry, I have the wrong coupon there. And then just to balance the basket, we're going to grab one of these $5.99 Mr. Cleans. And we have a $2 digital coupon that's attaching this, friend. So make sure you have it loaded. Now, just to show you, Japanese $2, Garnier $2. We have the Mr. Clean $2 coming off, WAG 10, $10 off, Garnier $3, and then the IVC coupon, the store coupon for Walgreens, taking $1.99 off of those fingernail clippers. And that's one product I love to carry in my purse. I always seem to crack a nail somehow or do something dumb, so they're always handy to have. The overall total for this basket is $21.97. $5.09 melting off, $7 in manufacturers as well. So the total is $10.70. If you possibly have $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 70 cents. And this is a gold medal in couponing Olympics. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. For this one, it's everybody's favorite. 2 of these Crest toothpaste for $8. We also had a booster to load, which was 4 back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products. Make sure you have it loaded along with the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We're going to throw in the Cottonelle. I know a lot of you are brand loyal to this toilet paper. There is no digital to accompany it, but we're going to throw one of these in because I'm not a total Grinch this week. So just to show you, $3 melting off with that 3 off of 2 for the Crest, and then 50 cents coming off for the Cottonelle. The code WAG10. So look at this, guys. We're at $13, 50 cents, 75 cents in tax, $3 manufacturer. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay 25 cents, and you're getting back $4 for buying 2 of those Crests. Please make sure you have your booster loaded of $4 back when you buy 2 dental care products. Very, very critical for this deal, but a little basket of magic. The final deal that we have is deal number 5. This is a lot of food. We're going to be grabbing 4 of these Pringles chips for $5.98, and they're on a buy one, get one free promotion. And then we're also going to grab 2 of the Cheez-Its for $4.49, and they're also on a buy one, get one free promotion. Also toss in 3 of these Kinder chocolate single squares. They are 3 for $3, and Fetch has $3 back when you buy 3 of them. So you're going to need a receipt when you pick these up at the store. So you're going to have to ask the cashier to run them through a regular register so a receipt prints for you. And then if they might have this beautiful one in stock, put one of those in and have the $2 store and the $2 manufacturer loaded. Just to show you, $1 off 2 for the Cheez-Its coming off. I could not find that coupon in the app, but I loaded it a while back. $2 off for Japanese, $1.25 for WAG 10, and then the store coupon for Japanese. The overall total is $17.46. With the store coupons, $3.24 melting off, a little bit of tax, and $3 also coming off. So the total is $11.44. You have a whole bunch of snacks and other magic. This is a really great basket. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay $1.44. That's it for the video. And in case you missed yesterday's, it's linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.